Hello everyone. So last time we left at the calculator, but the calculator doesn't seem as efficient as it should be. So in order to make it more user friendly, we are going to learn a new command, that is the if command. Now this is the syntax of the if command. If followed by your argument. Now if argument is true, then the method, else if argument is false, then the execution. Now this might get confusing at the starting, but I will elaborate on it. So I will show how it is executed now. So first, let's just make an interface. It's very simple. Let's just select this whole part, and now let's just type system out. Now we are going to accept a value from the user. Now if we enters 1, then the two numbers will be added. Let's just copy and paste it. Now let's just replace 2, 3, 4. Subtraction. Now the user will know that what input to give, so that and uh, which of these methods will be executed. So now let's accept the input. Let's just say int input is equal to sc dot next. So this is our input command. Now this will tell us which. Now if the user enters 1, 2, 3 or 4, then we will know which of these operations is to be executed. So the syntax goes like this: if bracket open bracket close. In this between these brackets, the argument will come. So the argument will be if input is equal to, because you are comparing, right? So you have to use a comparing operator. Is equal to 1, open bracket close. System out dot enter first number and second. Now this could be any data value, so better we take uh, the, the data value as a double. So let's just copy this, control V, just send this to next double. change this to num1. Let's just copy this. Now let's make another double. Sum is equal to num1 plus num2. And now let's just print the value. The sum of the sum. So this is for addition. Let us see if this works. The sum is 4.0. It shows 4.0 because it's a double value. And double value is always in decimal. Now let's just select this, copy paste. Let's just paste it over here. Now in subtraction there will be a little twist. If input is equal to 2, now you need to see, now the user will enter two numbers, but you need to see which of the two numbers is the greater one, right? So that the greater one will be subtracted, so that the smaller one will be subtracted from the greater one. So we after accepting the two numbers, let's just put another if statement. Now if num1 is greater than num2, let's just cut this, Control X. Let's just paste this over here. Now let's just call this variable if, and the difference. Now you might wonder that this variable sum is already declared over here, but if I put sum over here, then it's giving me an error because it says cannot find symbol variable sum, but sum is already declared. This is because the variable sum is only restricted to that if block. In simpler terms, only this if block has the access to the variable sum and not this, because this block has not yet declared the variable sum. So let's just replace sum with diff, and instead of, let's just replace it with minus. Now let's just do else, Control C, paste. Num2 minus num1. Now it does not give any error. Now let's just do the same for multiplication and division. Let's just, instead of product, let's just call it pro. The product of the two numbers is plus Control K, does not give any error. Now let's just do the same for for division. Now here we get a twist again. Let's just replace the word first number by dividend and second number by divisor. Now it doesn't matter because the user will enter dividend and divisor according to the order. Now let's just replace sum by quotient O and this by O. We are done. That's all. Let's just see if this works. 479. Let's just test for subtraction. 34, 56, 22.0. So it is working. This is the syntax of the method. Oh, please like, share, comment if you have any difficulties, and subscribe.